here it is, a simplified version of mass spec instrument. Okay, all right, let's get to know how this works. And before we get to the details, so there are two events that must occur before we get the mass spectrum. Okay, these two events are ionization, and the second event, the next slide, we call fragmentation. Okay, all right, let's get started. So how does thing work here? So if you look at this diagram, okay, so you're gonna see that, so we have a sample, that's we add sample into it, okay, and then we have an ionizer right there. Okay, I'll have you guess what an ionizer do. Ionizer, ion, right, make things become an ion. So we're gonna have we're gonna heat up this metal. There's a metal rod right there, so when I heat up, make it really hot. When this metal really hot, it will emit high energy electron. That's right there, high energy electron beam that we talked about earlier in the previous video. Okay, all right, so we're gonna have a stream of hot high energy electron. Now I'm gonna shoot the sample, go through it. Okay, the sample gonna go through an accelerator, so make it move basically, so move through an ionizer. So look like take a look right here. All right, 1 2 3. So the samples, as I do some M, okay, comes in here. What's gonna happen? Well, this high energy electron, one of them gonna hit this sample. What would happen after? We call ionization. One electron in this sample anywhere will get knocked off like that. Okay, become a radical cation. So it looks something like this. So let's start with a neutral molecule. All right, high energy electron beam attack. Okay, hit this molecule, take one electron away from this neutral molecule, it become a radical cation. Okay. All right. Once become a radical cation, this radical cation will travel further, go through this instrument, go to the next part of this instrument we call magnetic field. Okay. This magnetic field, of course, is magnet, right? We use a little bit in physics in here. Okay. So only charged species can be deflected by magnetic field. Maybe you want to write that down. This is important. Okay, so only charged species, not neutral, going to be charged species, positive, negative, doesn't matter, can be deflected by magnetic field. We change the direction of where it travels to. Okay, so is the compound right here? This species has charge. Does it have charge? It's a radical cation now. It got ionized earlier. Okay, so it got charged, it gets deflected, and then boop, go through the detector, and we detect it right there. That's an ionization. Okay, and we get the first compound, the first species go up in the mass spectrum. All right. All right. Second event we call fragmentation. Let's take a look on the next video. Okay.